Hello, Brainiacs! Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of rain. Get ready to be amazed by these incredible facts that will leave you seeing raindrops in a whole new light. 1. Raindrop formation. Did you know that raindrops aren't actually tear-shaped? They start off as tiny spherical water droplets in clouds and gradually grow larger as they collide with other droplets, forming a unique shape resembling a hamburger bun. 2. Different types of rain. Did you know that not all rain is created equal? From light drizzles to heavy downpours, rain comes in various forms. Some types include virga, which evaporates before reaching the ground, and thunder showers, accompanied by thunder and lightning.